This is Chippy with Mid-Moves at IDF 2009 San Francisco. Got a couple of devices here. This is the UMID M1, which you might have seen at Computex and on other reports we've done on Mid-Moves. Very, very small atom-based UMPC. A couple of problems with this one. Number one, the actual screen angle was never really that good for typing and viewing at the same time, because you had to twist it and turn it like this. Number two, there was a set of USB dongles that's fitted into the side, made it very awkward to put USB devices on it. So UMID this evening showed us the prototype for the UMID M2, which of course is very much the same in terms of form factor. There's a couple of features, a couple of fixes. We'll zoom in, I'll show you just quickly what they are. So immediately on the M2 you'll see that the device opens up a lot further than it did on the M1. So they fixed the screen angle issue on this, which makes it perfect for actually viewing what you're typing on the screen at the same time. The other thing they've fixed is the USB port. They've actually made it into a proper USB connector now. If I can just pull down the adapter, there you go, there's the real USB port on that. They've also upgraded this with 1 GB of RAM, because they will actually put Windows 7 on this when it's launched in Q4. Apart from that, it's pretty much the same device. It will be available with 1.2 or a 1.6 GHz Intel Atom processor, so the 1.6 GHz processor pushing it up a little bit in terms of performance. So first impressions on the UMID M2 are really positive, because the M1 was a good device apart from just those few issues. The M2 has fixed that, so this could be a really nice device. I can see they've still got the 3G SIM card slot, they've still got the micro SD card slot, the 1.3 megapixel camera, a couple of other features around the frame. This is actually only a prototype device and it's not actually working yet, but there will be an optical mouse here on the right hand side and left and right mouse buttons on the right hand side, which makes a very good two-handed mobile device in that two-handed scenario. So really liking the M2. Again, Q4 for this, November, December, 1.2, 1.6 GHz versions. We don't know the pricing yet, but we'll hear about that very soon. This is Chippy, Mid-Moves at IDF in San Francisco.